Welcome. If you want to switch off your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, at the first we have to take a look right here, and here we have the power button and also volume button. Just take a look right here. I hope that you can see it. So if you want to turn it off, you have to click power button and the volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. So let's start. 1, 2 and 3. Keep holding. When this pops on the screen, we have to release the key and then tap to power off. Click to confirm, and right now our Tab S6 Lite is going to be turned off. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!